Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a collage on Instagram story. Now open the app, tap on the plus icon, now select story, tap on the gallery, now select the picture, resize it with 2 fingers, now tap on the sticker icon, now tap on the photos, select the second picture, now resize it, and now again tap on the sticker icon, choose the third picture. Now if you tap it, it will be in a different format. Now select the last picture or as many pictures as you want. Now if you tap and drag it to the front, you can either add a music or whatever you want, and that's it. Now if this video was helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel.